I'm going to do the impossible in this trading space here on YouTube. I'm going to document myself going from broke and unemployed to $1 million in funded capital. I'm not sure if you know this sexy chop. Okay, my bad. Whether you've been here or not, let me introduce myself.
YouTube! What's up, y'all? It's KIAREY. If you don't know who I am, my name's KIAREY Love. I'm currently documenting my journey to becoming a millionaire trader. When I'm a millionaire, y'all still gonna be here.
Since I started posting this journey, it's been full of false promises, lack of discipline, inconsistency, empty wishes, and lack of my promise to be 100% transparent. I've been lazy, sad, tired, and depressed at times through this journey. Through the failed 75 hard challenges and what seems to be the same failed progress photos daily, the lack of progress ends today. I'm doing this series because I can do anything I put my mind to, and I want to show everyone that you can do everything you put your mind to as well. I've been tested all my life, from my dad passing away when I was 12 to relationship trauma in other areas, and my grandma being my best friend who believed in me more than anything passing away. I've still persisted and remained optimistic through everything and chose to let God use me and remain true to myself and wanting to inspire others. I want to show everyone through everything you can control your reality and not let your reality control you. To start off this series, as previously mentioned on this channel, I have an old funded challenge account through 101 Funded. This is pretty much my first time experiencing the delay that the futures markets have, and I was still marking up my charts with the futures market compared to the Forex market being in real time. Trade number one stopped me out at about $20 on day number one of. I then got into the second trade. This is me showing you the profit. But this trade that I'm in did just go ahead and hit a 1-to-1. So it is currently pushing past that 1-to-1. We are up $21. If you don't know, the price is so small because we are currently trading on a small account, $6,000 account, $240 to pass. But what I'm going to be doing is using this money when I pass this challenge to pass other challenges. We're either going to win, lose, or draw. I did enter a couple other trades that I did lose on, but I got out of them early because I'm going to pop up on the screen, but because if you guys don't know, NAS100 is a made up pair, not the NASDAQ, but NAS100. So when you're trading on Forex brokers, Forex platforms, Forex anything, you're not getting real NASDAQ price, you're getting the made up price of the market. Whereas the real market is delayed a little bit to make sure that the market information is accurate. And I realized I wasn't looking at NAS100 on TradingView. I was looking at MNQ and NQ, which makes a complete total difference for what's going on. But we are currently up $30. So that's pretty good. Hopefully we can go ahead and get this to push to TP. We are going for a 1-to-3 on this trade. And yeah, so gangsta. All right, y'all. So I did get out of that trade at a 1-to-2. The reason I got out of the trade was simply because my account needed a certain amount of money to go back to break even. And when you look at this trade, so it went to a 1-to-2, but when you look at this trade from a higher time frame, it's at a place where it could start to reverse or continue to push down. But since I'm in profit and I already took some losses today, I'll go with the quick 1-to-2. Tapped on that 1-to-2, got out the trade, called it a day. So we made about $40 today. The account is now back at break even, which is a good start. We want to be a good fresh start. I'm glad that we were able to get this. It is Wednesday and it's my first time trading. I think I'm gonna back test. I think today the way I traded on this last trade was exactly the way that I want to be trading. It just makes the most sense. But like how I said, we are starting to push back down. But the couple of first trades that I took, you probably will see them popping up across the screen throughout the video. But I don't think I had too much discernment with those trades and not an idea of where market was actually gonna go, rather than just getting into a trade to get into a trade. But this trade, I actually was like, okay, bet if this does this, then I'll do this. And that's exactly the way that you want to be at the market. You don't want to be thinking about shit, I was just talking with them shit wrong. But you don't want to be thinking about it like, oh, I think this is gonna happen. You want it to be, if this happens, then I'll do this. You want to be reactionary. You want to treat this like a business. You want to treat this like you are a robot. No, you will not be able to remove the emotions from trading. But if you set up a plan for what you want to do, execute on that plan, win, lose, or draw, you'll be fine. But yeah, and my girlfriend cussed me out the other day. Well, she didn't cuss me out. She was watching one of my videos and she was like, why do you take your trade to break even when you said you were going to stop doing that? And just put it to perspective for me. It's like either win or lose the trade, because a lot of times you're messing up your risk to reward or your probability by breaking even on the trades that would have won if you would have just let it rock out. It's definitely an adjustment to be trading on a forex broker again, because I have been trading with futures brokers for such a long time, and it's just so weird how delayed price is on like real time for. Yeah. All right, y'all. So even though, okay, I'm probably gonna go do a recap of this trade, but even though it took about 2 hours for this trade to play out, it did hit a 1 to 3. I was not in the trade. Like I told you guys, I got out of the trade. I'm about to head to the gym. This is day 3 of consistently going to the gym. Not making any excuses, but I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get out of the gym. But y'all like my little shorts that I made? Yeah, my sweatpants. Don't be throwing shit away, y'all. Do not be throwing shit away. But this is exactly why you don't make excuses for the trade, or for getting in or out of trades, or moving your stop loss and doing all these different things. If you believe in the trade, stay in the trade till break stop loss or take profit. There's no ifs, ands, or buts in between that. This could have been a 1 to 3. I made $30 on this trade. I made $34 on this trade, which was like a 1 to 2, 1 to 1.7 is what it exactly was. And then I could have made, instead of making that much money, I would have made like $99. It is what it is. You cannot be too mad about these things. Excuse the background. We are doing laundry. All right, y'all. So I know you guys always hear me say at the end of the video, because nothing. Operate out of the model because nothing. Today's trading experience is exactly what I mean by that. Because nothing. I was explaining to you guys why I was getting out of the trade, why I wasn't going to let the trade rock out, and why I was doing things to adjust and justify why I don't trust in my analysis. Because nothing simply means do it, and there's anything that comes after because doesn't make it like, okay, so if you say I'm gonna go to the gym, right? No. Say you wake up late and you're supposed to go to the gym in the morning, right? You need to figure out a way to go to the gym, because if you wake up and be like, damn, I didn't go to the gym, and then say my girlfriend's like, hey babe, did you go to the gym today? And I'm like, no babe, I didn't go to the gym because I didn't wake up on time. Because I didn't wake up on time does not exclude the fact that you didn't go to the gym, if that makes sense. So I say operate out of the model because nothing means no buts, no if, no whatever the fuck. There's no because whatever comes after it's pretty much excuse. Because nothing is no excuses. Do not make excuses. Listen, I've been trying to convey this, but like this was the perfect example for me to recognize that it's showing up in real time. I got out of the trade. I won the trade, so whatever, but I could have been in profit on my account instead of breaking even. I said I want to get out of this trade right now because it's at break even, because this, because that, because all of that doesn't take away the fact that I did indeed get out of the trade, and now I did not capitalize on all the profits that the trade has for me. And this is something that messes up the risk to reward. This is something that makes you feel like you're spiraling, because tomorrow I may lose a trade and I'm like, fuck, now I'm not making any profit. But it's like, if I would have won today, lost tomorrow, I would be still green for the week, because this is only my first day trading. Or, you know what I'm saying? Like, pretty much, don't make excuses. Stop justifying your shit. Pretty much there's no justification. There's no justification as to why you are not doing at least one thing. I say this at the end of every single video. There's no justification as to why you are not doing what you say you're going to do. Because does not matter. Because nothing. But nothing. If nothing. If you say you're going to do something, do that thing. But yeah, we're finna head out to the gym. We got, we fitted. We got our little made up shorts, motherfucker. But pretty much I ended up, I don't even remember the last time I was vlogging, but I pretty much met my cousin shit. She's gonna give me a tattoo. She's gonna fix this.
She gave me this tattoo when she was first starting. So we're finna sauce it up. Y'all gonna see the progress. Y'all gonna see what's up. But
yeah, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay.
alright, y'all. We got this stencil going so far. This is what we got going so far. Right, this is the progress so far, y'all. That's really tough. It's so tough. Try to show y'all for this way. So we just finished my tattoo. Well, we finished what we're gonna do of it today. The 777s is a little bit off because she was fixing that, but other than that, the shit is smooth. Like, it's smooth. We finna be in that. We finna be in the mirror like we finna be on TikTok like. Y'all, so initially my plan was to get this vlog up yesterday. Oh, I didn't even show y'all the finished product of the tattoo. It's not finished. We're going back tonight to finish it, but y'all will see the real finished product right later. But you guys can't even really see it, but she fixed the dice. It's like smoke and ashes. This is my logo right there, and then everything happens for a reason regardless of the religion you believe in. Some smooth shit. Yeah, I did now. But we're finna head to the gym. Even though I did drink a little bit yesterday, I'm focusing on balancing my life out. Even when I do these things, it's not fuck everything. You still make it to the gym. You still do the things that you don't want to do. I wasn't able to get up to trade today because she didn't end up getting done till 3 o'clock in the morning. And then drinking on top of that, it's like getting up at 6 a.m. to trade. You're really just being greedy. But y'all, that trade that I took yesterday ended up going to like a 1 to like 50 or something like that, 1 to 70, some crazy ass shit. Market tanked OD, and that's exactly why you don't get out of your trades early. Came to the 7-Eleven to get my girlfriend some noodle, motherfucker. But yeah, I'm fuck with y'all when I get out of the gym, or when I get to the gym, I don't know. But lady, we at it, yeah, lady. All right, y'all, so hope you guys enjoyed that message of me trying to convey, because just not making excuses. Pretty much, long story short, this is the trade that I ended up taking. I ended up taking it off of a breakout of this level, a retest of this level up here, and then ended up getting into the trade. And I ended up getting out at about it was about this level right here where this blue line is. And as you guys can see, this trade, so I ended up taking $34 on this trade, and the trade ended up going all the way down to a 1 to 30 with the trade that I took. If I would have taken the trade with my system, I would have gotten a 1 to 70. So with the 1 to 70, I was risking $26, right? $26 times 1 to 30, so that's $780. $26 times 70, that's $1,800. So I missed out on this trade simply by not executing the trade properly. There's really not much more to say about this trade, about this journey. At least we are back at that $6,000 equity on the account, so that today is Sunday night, so tomorrow we will be able to get back in action, nice and packed. I hope you guys enjoyed this first video of the series. Hopefully from here on out, we can show you guys me not getting into trades and getting out of them with scarcity, some progress, and tomorrow we will trade with confidence with our system. And yeah, episode 1 done. Appreciate you guys so much for watching. If you have watched to this point of the video, make sure you're getting 1% better every day. Make sure you're operating out of the model, because there's never an excuse or a reason as to why you're not doing at least one thing to get one step closer to your dreams, goals, and aspirations. It has been KIAREY, and I am out.